Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Yen, British Pound Yen. Okay, so in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen for 1st March 2021 Monday only. So this analysis for Monday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. But this video is for Monday only. Okay, so we can see that right now market is trading at 148.62. Right now market is trying to go up, then again consolidating. Market is making higher highs, lower highs, and there was a huge fall in the last trading session. Okay, before that market was in good uptrend, clean good uptrend. So if we consider all these things, then the picture is very confusing, is not it? Hmm. Market is in there was a huge fall yesterday. Before that market was in good uptrend. Right now market is going up. Going up. Market is also making higher highs and higher lows, lower highs, whatever. Hmm. Higher highs and lower highs. So to get a clear picture, what we can do, we can switch to 4 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame was quite not convincing enough. But if we switch to the 4 hour time, we can see that yes, market is still uh, in a good uptrend, and market is confidently following the support of 50 period moving average. And we can see that though there was a big fall, okay, though there was a huge fall from this level, market took support at the sorry market took support at the 50 MA, okay, and there was good price rejection from below, and market tried to go up a little, and again there are some spinning tops, three spinning tops, and kind of indication right now going on in the market. So which means that the first good news is that market is still respecting the support from the 50 MA. So the support of the 50 MA is still valid. So this is, yes, this is a valid point to buy. Hmm. But seeing these candles, okay, these candles, this three consecutive spinning top suggests that though market is respecting the support of the 50 MA, but there is an indication going on in the market. So hmm, so from my analysis, I'll tell you to go long only above this point. Okay. So if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level F1, and if you see that, okay, market, okay, after taking support at the 50 MA, market is trading comfortably now. Okay, market has beautifully respected the 50 MA and trading comfortably. Then only you should go ahead and buy. If you see that though 50 period moving average is providing support to the market, but it is struggling very hard, okay, the price is choking, then it is not ideal position to buy. So ideal position to buy, buy will be around 149.40, because see under normal circumstances this is a good position to buy, but we cannot overlook or avoid these candles. Okay, this fall we cannot avoid, so I'll say that only buy above this. Okay, or otherwise if you see that after 2-3 candles 50 moving average is still valid, still showing or getting some rejection from price rejection from below, and if you see that yes, it is valid, then also you can buy. But otherwise I'll say that this is the best position to buy once it crosses 149.30 level. Okay, so this is the analysis of British Pound Japanese Yen for 1st March 2021 Monday. Okay. So hopefully you all have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Uh, if you want to see the other analysis, then you can just um, scroll over the playlist, okay, the analysis of the other currency pairs, and please subscribe my video for regular market analysis because I come down every day, 5 days a week actually, with my analysis from Monday to Friday. So see you tomorrow again. Till then, good luck.